Hi everyone, today I'm going to read you from my book, Wildlife Wong and the Bearded Pig. Now, bearded pigs are animals that live in the jungle in Malaysia, and they're not probably animals you've heard of before, but they're related to agricultural pigs. Today I'm going to read you a story about Michael and Mary. Where you live, can you tell the seasons from the trees? Do the blossoms come out in spring or the leaves fall off in winter? This doesn't happen the same way in Borneo. Instead, huge areas of the rainforest trees decide to grow together. They make this decision based on things like the amount of rain, the temperature, and the availability of sunlight, not the seasons. This means that a sunny hillside might grow flowers at a different time from a shady hollow. When the blossoms in one area have been pollinated by insects, the blossoms fall down together, carpeting the rainforest floor and setting off a series of events. When Wong saw the white dipterocarp blossoms fall in Danam Valley, Michael and Mary could smell them. For them, it meant it was time to have a family. They knew that their piglets, or offspring, would grow in Mary's womb for about the same amount of time it took for the flowers to turn into fruit. If she gave birth to her babies at the same time as the fruit appeared, Mary knew they all had a good chance of surviving. She would have enough food to make milk for her babies, and there would also be enough food for them to grow big and strong. About 3.5 months later, Wong watched the fruits start to fall. Their two wings twirled fast as they glided to ground, looking like tiny helicopters. Mary saw them too, and she knew the piglets were ready to be born. She found a quiet corner in the undergrowth, snapped saplings and piled them into a dome shape. She burrowed underneath this pile and used her body to push it up to make a leaf cave. Then she crawled into the safety of her camouflaged nest to give birth. Mary stayed in her safe cave for a while, keeping her tiny babies safe from predators and feeding them plenty of milk to make them strong. When they eventually emerged, the fatty dipterocarp fruits littered the ground, and they gorged until their bellies were nice and full. Wong was cooking for his research team again when Michael strode out of the bushes like a pig on a mission. His snout twitched as he caught a whiff of dinner, but Mary seemed to hesitate on the edge of the bushes. Slowly, very slowly, she emerged with 3 little piglets. They were the size of a sausage dog, with dark brown stripes along the length of their body. The piglets stayed close to their mum as Wong called Cha-Chen and his assistants to the table and served them hot, steaming food. While they ate, they considered names for the new arrivals. What would you call the little pigs? They ended up being called Pork, Chop, and Bacon. From then on, the little pigs visited often. They slept patiently with their mum on the lawn outside Wong's house until the humans had eaten their dinner, because they knew theirs was coming soon. As soon as Wong stood up to clear the plates away, they got ready. Wong scraped the plates of scraps onto the ground just outside the back door. Within minutes, it was gone. It seemed the piglets didn't mind being called after food, as long as they got the leftovers. Now, I hope you enjoyed that story from Wildlife Wong and the Bearded Pig. If you'd like to read more, you can buy a book down below. Each book includes a story. It includes cool facts about the bearded pigs, and it also includes experiments, so you can be a scientist just like my friend Wong. If you look below, you can see videos of the experiments to help you along as well.